Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Ollama locally on your system. So let's start the video. So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and simply search for Ollama. And herein guys, you can see the search result. This is the official website. You need to simply click on this link. Now guys, it will redirect you to this page and here you can see we have download button. Just click on this button. Now here on download page, it is showing downloads based on operating system. So it has already detected for Windows operating system. So here we have button download for Windows. Just click on that. And guys, you can see the download has been started. The file size is in GB, so it is going to take a while. Okay guys, my download is done. Now to install it, I'm simply going to click on this exe. You can close or minimize your browser. And now here I'm going to click on this install button and the installation has been started. It will take a while. Okay guys, so the installation has been done and it has started this page and here it's loading models and you can see now we have option for selecting the models. So you can select the model and you can use Ollama locally at your PC. Also guys, I'm just opening command prompt and I'm just showing you can download if any model required through command prompt also. So here I have simply started my command prompt and now here I'm typing Ollama. I'm not getting any error. That means the installation is successful. Now you can download the models which you want. So here again I'm going to ollama.com and here I'm selecting this models tab and here you can see different models are available. We have sorting option. You can sort based on popularity or newest model. So I'm just selecting newest model. You can see so many models we are having. Whatever model you want, just click on that. So I'm just selecting the first model. And here guys, now it's showing me the option. I can copy this Ollama run and the model name. You can type or you can copy. So I'm simply copying it and I'm going to command prompt. Now you can paste and then you can use this model. So guys, this way you can install Ollama on your local system. I hope guys by following my video you are really able to install Ollama. If my video has helped you, don't forget to hit on like button. If you have any query, put in comment box and share my video to your friend. And guys, do subscribe to my channel for such more useful videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Keep watching and keep learning guys.